The service four-wheel drive message on your Chevy Silverado is often triggered by a corroded ground wire connection rather than a failed transfer case. You can fix this issue in about 2 minutes by removing, cleaning, and reattaching the main ground wire located on the frame rail beneath the driver's side door. This specific ground wire connects the front differential actuator and the transfer case control module to the truck's chassis. Over time, road salt, dirt, and moisture build up between the copper ring terminal and the steel frame. This creates electrical resistance. When the four-wheel drive control module detects this voltage drop, it disables the system and triggers the warning light on your dash. To perform this fix, you need a 13mm socket or wrench, a wire brush, and some dielectric grease. Crawl under the driver's side of the truck right below the A-pillar. Look on the outside of the main frame rail. You will see a cluster of black wires terminating in a metal ring bolted directly to the frame. Use your 13mm wrench to remove the bolt holding the ground wire to the chassis. Once the bolt is out, pull the ring terminal away from the frame. You will likely see rust and white corrosion covering the metal surfaces. Use your wire brush to vigorously scrub both the frame contact patch and the ring terminal. You want to see shiny bare metal on both parts. Apply a generous dab of dielectric grease to the freshly cleaned frame area and the ring terminal. This grease seals out moisture and prevents future rust from forming. Thread the bolt back through the ring terminal and tighten it down securely against the frame. Start your Silverado and turn the four-wheel drive selector dial. The system will cycle through the modes and the service warning message will clear from your dash. If the light remains on after cleaning this ground, you may need to inspect the selector switch on the dash or scan the truck for specific trouble codes.